So what I will do here is I will take this function fiber blah 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 and say let's put like this. So this is entities list. Can I do this? Yes. So we will need to make this somehow global, so we can use it also from here. For now, I will use very simplistic approach, which is here. I will say entity repository. Actually, I did this for echo. Let me just check. I want to use a very similar. Oh, I refactored. Okay, maybe for iris. Server.go. Okay, so I will use this approach. Yeah, name is different, so let me do this. Is it repo? Yes. So it is a type of package.entity. Yeah, we can say repository, and we say package new. This should be okay. We keep page size still. We don't need this anymore here, but we need still to do initialization. So we have some data, and now we can use it here, and we can say, so we don't need this function here. You can get entities list. Cool. So let's do the same for get method. It's going to be entities get, and we do here function name entities get, and the rest is very similar. And we can check if this actually works. And this is the reason why we need testing, so we don't have to test, check everything manually. Ideally, we could just run our tests and verify if it's everything is okay. So looks good so far.